Good afternoon. Representative Crockett, Representative Veazey, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honour to be with you today as we open Pratt Industries' $253 million state-of-the-art advanced manufacturing box factory in Cedar Hill, Texas. Representatives Crockett and Veazey, we're honoured by your presence, and I commend you for your strong leadership in Washington and laser focus on bringing green jobs to Texas. And at over 1.1 million square feet, our Cedar Hill box factory is the largest and most technologically advanced in the United States. And it's a mark of our confidence in Texas. In fact, this is our 5th box factory in Texas, and will employ 375 Texans in well-paying green-collar manufacturing jobs at an average wage of almost $100,000 per person, and will allow us to support our customers, employees, and the community. And it brings our Texas workforce overall to more than 1,000, with a cumulative investment of more than $550 million in Texas, and the overall Pratt Industries company in the whole of the United States investment is now $10.2 billion, bringing our total workforce in the whole of the United States to 11,500 people across America. And the box factory here will produce 100% recycled corrugated boxes and in-store displays. Recycling is an important weapon against climate change, because as things decay in the landfill, they emit methane gas, which is 84 times worse for the environment than greenhouse gases. So this factory diverts waste that would have gone to landfill and turns it into cardboard boxes. So I particularly want to thank our customers who are here today. Thank you very much. And ladies and gentlemen, to say a few words and officially open our Cedar Hill box factory, please welcome Representatives Crockett and Veazey. Thank you.